look what I got. We have a Yamaha golf cart. And believe it or not, it's actually in pretty good shape. I'm not sure how that... Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, look at here. It's already been gutted out and everything. That saves me a lot of work. All the wiring's gone. Looks like yeah, there's all batteries in there. It's got the fancy rims on it. It's got the stuff for your golf club. So this is going to be our new project. Alright, we got the seats off, but look down here. That's a mess. All that's got to be replaced. And there's the rear axle. Now, I don't know if y'all, people build these when they put 420s in them, do they have reverse? I don't think they do, unless they got a transmission in them, or they install a transmission. But luckily, I've got a local junkyard over here that's got 4 of these golf carts in it. So I'm probably going to be robbing some parts and some metal to work on this. This is what I got done last night. Got the rear end taken apart. Got all the bad stuff cut out, which I'm probably gonna use that plate there. All this part here, the bracing's still good in it. Just clean it up. But the sway bar is missing. And the rear end moves side to side. So I gotta go to the junkyard and get me a sway bar off one of the other golf carts. But it's a-coming. I think what I did was the easy part. Now the hard part starts.